大家好，我係阿木，歡迎返到嚟無端端廣東話。今日我哋會講分享二 Sharing Two。The titles of Sharing Two is 分享二嘅題目係你叫我瑪麗得啦，你叫我瑪麗得啦。So it is also an extract from a conversations。記唔記得乜嘢係你啊？你係 you, right? 叫 is to call, to address, right? 我 it is I or me. Because here is an object position, right? So we will say me. 瑪麗 is a name of our character. 得啦 it is in our vocab list and it is an expression to mean it is okay that something something. This sentence means that it is okay to call me 瑪麗。This is the part 1, 第一部分。We will discuss two things. 我哋會講兩樣嘢。學習目標係 learning target, right? 詞語表 vocabulary list. Okay? So the first one. 學習目標 learning target. There are two learning targets in this sharing. The first one is 認識打招呼嘅方法。認識 means to know, right? 打招呼 greeting. 嘅 apostrophe s 方法 method. Because this is the targets we also discussed last sharing. So I think you know what does it mean. It means to know the methods of greeting. To know the methods of greeting. 認識打招呼嘅方法。Second one. 第二個。介紹自己嘅別名。介紹自己嘅別名。仲記唔記得介紹點解啊？介紹 means to introduce 自己 oneself 嘅 apostrophe s, right? 別名咩係別名呢？別名 means alternative name or the name you prefer somebody to call you. So it is not your full names, okay? Or sometimes not your real names, but it is alternative names or the name you want people to name you. 得唔得？別名。So let's learn some vocabulary. 我哋學下啲詞語。詞語表，跟我讀一次。第一個，中文名。中文名 It means Chinese name. Chinese name. 中文 is Chinese. Name is 名. So when they come together, it means Chinese name. But sometimes you may hear people say not 文 is 文 which is fourth tone. It is also fine. Okay. So you may hear people say 中文名 中文名 It also means Chinese name. 第二個有 means to have something, okay? For example, 我有中文名 means I have a Chinese name, okay? 第三個冇 is a negative of 有 okay? Negation of 有 which means don't have something, do not have something, okay? For example, 我冇中文名 It means I do not have a Chinese name. 得唔得？第四個都 have two meanings, right? The first one is 好高興認識你 ，nice to meet you, right? And then you answer 我都係 me too, me too. The first one is too, right? Or also. The second one is it emphasizes or. For example, 大家都叫我阿玲。大家 everybody, right? 都 emphasize everybody means all of us. 叫我阿玲 to call me 阿玲 to call me 阿玲 right? So two meanings. It depends on the context. 第五個想 is to want to do something. To want to do something means want to do or would like to do. Or would like to do. Something. Okay? So, somebody will say this is a modal verb. Okay? Or you can simply say this is a verb. Also fine. 第六個點樣 is a question word. It means how. Sometimes you may hear people say 點 only use 點. If this is a question word, 點 also usually will mean how. Okay? 第七個得啦 Before 得啦 it is usually a sentence. It's a sentence. For example, 你叫我瑪麗得啦 because 你叫我瑪麗 is a sentence, right? And then we add 得啦 here. It means it is okay that you call me 瑪麗. It is okay that you call me 瑪麗. It means that you can call me 瑪麗. Like this. Okay. Let's do some exercise. 我哋做下練習。試下讀一次，記唔記得點解啊？ Do you still remember what this question or this task mean? It means that try to read one times and see whether you remember the meanings of it, right? What is the meanings of them? Here, there are 7 vocabulary or expressions that we learned, right? So I separate them according to their parts of speech. The first one is a noun. And then the second column is verb. The third one is adverb. And then the fourth is a question word. Last one is expressions. So let's see whether you remember how to read it and also the meanings of them. So let's start with noun. 點樣讀啊？中文名記唔記得仲可以點樣讀啊？ Do you remember what is the alternative ways to read it? We say we also can read it as a fourth tone. 中文名 Okay, what is 中文名 or 中文名 means? It means Chinese name, right? Chinese name. 中文 is Chinese. 名 is name. Okay, 第二個點讀啊？想 it means to want to do something, right? Or you may say would like to, right? Would like to. Okay, 下一個有點解 means you have something, right? To have. What is the negation of 有? This one, right? 點讀啊？冇 Very good. It means do not have something. The negations of 有. Okay, and then we learned one adverb. there's two meanings of this word. But before that, let's read it. 都 What is the meaning? If this is in the case, 好高興認識你啊，我都係. It means me too or me also, right? Too or also. Then how about 大家都叫我阿玲? Everybody, all of us, call me 阿玲. Then here we will say all as well. 係咪？第四個 column question word 點讀啊？點樣？點樣？ What does it mean? 點解啊？ How, right? How? And usually you can say 點 is also fine. 得唔得？ And then the last one. It is an expression. 點讀啊？得啦，得啦。得 it means okay. And then la is a sentence final particles. When they come together, it means it is okay that something something. So here, before that, it is a sentence, a SVO sentence. It usually used when you give permission to somebody to do something on you. For example, 你叫我瑪麗得啦. It is okay that you call me 瑪麗. Okay, you are giving permission to your friends that she can call you the alternative names. 瑪麗. 得唔得? Before we end this videos, let's read one more time. 第一個，中文名，中文名。第二個，有，有。第三個，冇，冇。第四個，都，都。第五個，想，想。第六個，點樣，點樣。第七個，得啦，得啦。得唔得？今日講完啦，下次見。記得 like、comment、share 啊！拜拜。